I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, boy, Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here. Okay, fellas, and what we have here is another video sponsored by our old friend TEMU. And this time, it's for everyone, not just new app users, but all users using my promo code KKZ8332 will get $20 off. You'll get a $20 off coupon. Yes, that's $20 off. So if you buy a product for $21, guess what? You only pay $1. No gimmicks. That's the deal. Just enter my promo code in the search bar. Don't know how to do it? Here's how you do it. Simply go into the mobile app, and then at the top in the search bar, you type in my code, KKZ8332. Hit search, then the savings begin. And if somehow the whole search bar thing is too much for you, there's a QR code in the upper right hand corner right here. Simply scan that QR code and let the savings begin. That QR code will be up here the entire video, as well as the promo code along the bottom. And what we have today is the Milwaukee Packout toolbox. And no, it's not just any toolbox. This is going to be your mobile workstation, okay? Transporting your paint guns, your tools, your sanders. As you can see, it is one of the highest rated Packout toolboxes across the internet. And using my promo code, you're going to get the lowest price across the internet. So again, if you don't have the TEMU app, download the TEMU app. Type in my promo code KKZ8332. Okay, today I'm going to be going over a product that I think is going to help a lot of guys that are trying to do mobile work. Okay, I know a lot of what I've been doing lately with the small compressors is helping, the DIY guy that wants to do his own little project at home, paint a bumper, a couple bumpers, a few panels. But also, this setup would be good for you guys that are trying to do mobile work. Go out, make a few dollars. I know AI is taking jobs and people getting laid off, and now a lot of people trying to come and do this type of work, blue collar work, learn a trade. So this is something that I feel will help a lot of guys that are, in that situation, which there are a lot. I get a lot of messages, guys wanting to do mobile work. So that's where I'm going to try to start doing a few videos and throw in to help those guys as well. So let me show you guys the product that we have here. So yes, it would be a scenario like such. You arrive to the customer's house or their place of business. You're looking clean with a nice polo shirt, professional. Then you pull out your professional Milwaukee Packout travel workstation. And this would look way better than you pulling up with milk crates or buckets, Tupperware containers, tools everywhere. Okay, you're organized. You have the option of expanding. You can get different modular toolboxes that mount on top of this. I'll show you more during the video. You'll see these things, they get creative, man. You can go to the moon and back. You can stack this thing 12 feet high. It's something you can bring your small tools, tape, sandpapers. It does come with different cases here. Put in your razor blades, air fittings, your blowgun. And I know some of you are like, Trigger, I don't have a pickup truck. I have an SUV. Well, if you got an SUV, voila, mobile paint service to your rescue. I mean, come on, man. There's no more excuses. There's no more excuses. It's 2026. There's no reason to be broke. No. Okay? You're already watching the Trigger Man, so you're 50% there. You're halfway there. Okay? Learn the skill, hone it in, perfect it, and get out there and make some money. Very large compartments. I mean, you see I fit boxes of sandpaper in there and still have plenty of room. Plenty of room. And it's not even the biggest box. Okay? Things like this, like those marked up cars in the parking lots and stuff, you can do that easily. That's a quick little blend in the parking lot. 1, 2, 3. $200-$300. Easy. These type of repairs, very easy. When you can start out doing this type of stuff, then once you get better, doing bigger dents and so forth. But it's all money to be made. And here's the larger of the toolboxes. And here you're going to have a toolbox that's about 26 inches deep, 22 inches in length, and it'll give you 19 inches in width. So you can pack pretty much anything in there. Even your buffer, smaller buffers, you can pack up, take with you. Now, as you see to the right here, I've showed you guys before the amount of paint work that you can get done with just a little small pancake air compressor. So that's a very compact system you'd have there. The small compact air compressor, the LVLP spray gun, and then look at the amount of paint work you can get done with just that alone. And then you have your workstation here, the Milwaukee Packout box. It's like that's everything you basically need. Has a little latch around the back. You can tie it down in your truck or your SUV. Make sure it doesn't slide around, as you see here. I mean, that would be a setup right there. That's your setup to get out and make some money. You know? It's clean. These are the type of jobs that you'd be able to do. Bumper repairs. You know, you can get out, do customers' cars in parking lots. You can go to car lots, car dealerships, not the big dealerships, but the buy here, pay here. Like, there's unlimited as far as you can get creative and create and think. It can take you there, you know. See a little electric sander in there. That's it. You pull up, use customers' power, and look at that job right outside in the open. Yeah, the pro painters, yeah, they're gonna cry about it and say, "Ooh, it's the atmosphere and the ozone," but you know, you're trying to take care of your family. You can be a wheel repair guy. Okay, all your tools, little grinders and so forth like this that you're gonna need, keep them in your pack out toolbox. Go around again, customers' cars, car lots, car dealers. Hand out flyers. When you see a car with some scraped up wheels, give it to them. Give them a card. Put it on the window. You'll get calls. But you're going to need something to store and organize your things. And this looks professional. You don't want to pull up with a duffel bag, milk crates. Simple. Now, the amount of money that this gentleman collected after this job, I wouldn't agree with. You'll see that shortly. That's something I would never do. So you put your spray cans in there, spray can primer if you're going to be using can primer. There's also attaching shelves that go on the side of this and kind of swing out so you can put your paint on them, or a little mixing system if you wanted to have like where you can mix up paint on the spot. Go to your mobile app or online, get the formula, mix it up. You can put your scale on there, mix up your paint. Now, these things are customizable. There's a ton of different things. I'll show you a few more shortly. But you see that rim repair? And that's it. I mean, you can be easily doing that. Okay? $100. See? $100. Now that is what I would not be doing. $100 to do all that to a wheel? No, not the trigger. But it may work for some of you guys, man. You know, just starting out, you're trying to hustle. But no, not the seasoned veterans. $100 for a wheel? No. I'll give you $8 just to get out of my face, sir. So, as you see here, mobile work outside, in the open, it's okay. It's okay. See the pack out box there? It's customizable. You can put a broom on the side of it. They have attachments. You can lock it in your truck there. You know, I don't have those accessories. And it's locked in. It's locked in. So this thing is just, the sky's the limit, man. This was a well thought out tool system. I tell you that. It has everything. You see there, you come on a job site with your brush, your broom attached to it. It's like it's everything you need. I think it'd be a great addition to someone starting out that wants to do some mobile work. You pack it up, pack your stuff in, and you're good to go. You are good to go. So again, download the TEMU app. Use my promo code KKZ8332. Get $20 off. Even if you're old user, new user, it applies to you. And now I'm going to leave you with some AI humor. Catch you in the next one. Peace.
Time to get this rig ready for the next job.